Go to the Tools panel in Affinity and select the Rectangle tool. Go to the document and click and drag and create a rectangle that fills about half of the document size. Go to Pixel, go to Filters, and then down here to Colours and Procedural Texture. Then go to the presets and select Checkered. And you've got a design like that. You can then modify this design by simply just going to the actual equation and put square root, SQRT, and then bracket, and then bracket. I'm going to fill in the inner part. I'm just going to put RX times RX plus RY times RY. You'll notice you've got a custom input here, and that's C. I'm going to use that. I'm just simply going to put between the end brackets, put a divide, that's a slash, and then C, and then tab off that. You can then modify the C to create all kinds of different circles. Now it looks quite sharp. You may not want that. So if you want, you can go over here. Instead of OSCI, you can put OSC, but SIN, and tab off that. Gives a slightly more blurry, less contrast circle. The great thing about this is you've got RX and RY. So you can then simply go to the document, interactively just drag this down and place it like that in the center. So you've got now a very quick semicircular design, and then click Apply. Hope you found that semicircle tutorial of interest. Any thoughts or questions about Affinity, please let me know in the comments below. Bye.